Morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Please stay home and eat good food to keep your body fit. Dear students, welcome to join online class. Now, for my present lecture, I am writing one sentence. Please, dear students, follow the board. Dear students, follow the board. We should eat good food to keep our body fit. Dear students, what kind of sentence it is according to its structure? Try to understand. It may be simple or complex, compound. Dear learners, guess this sentence may be simple or complex or compound. Yes, you must say that it is simple sentence. So dear learners, today I am going to teach you simple sentence. Dear learners, what is simple sentence? According to its structure, there are three kinds of sentence: simple, complex and compound. But simple sentence, the sentence which has one subject and one finite verb, is called simple sentence. But sometimes it should happen that we have to use one or more verb in a simple sentence. In this case, the second verb must be turned into non-finite verb. So, in a simple sentence, one subject and one finite verb, and the next or another verb must be non-finite verb. Attention please. We eat to live. Here, attention please. We eat to live. Here, eat. Attention please, dear learners. Here, eat is a finite verb. To live, non-finite verb. So, it is simple sentence. In a simple sentence, there is no conjunction. So, dear learners, it is simple sentence. Such as I am giving you another example. I saw a little boy. I saw a little boy. Dear learners, here I subject, saw, finite verb, a little boy, object. So it is simple sentence. But the formation of simple sentence, we have to sometimes need non-finite verb. So attention please. non-finite verb, there are three kinds of non-finite verb: participle, infinitive, and gerund. Dear learners, we have to need participle, infinitive, and gerund sometimes to make a simple sentence, or for changing from simple to complex, complex to simple. If we want to change a complex sentence into simple sentence, sometimes we have to need non-finite verb. Here participle, infinitive, and gerund we must need to make a simple sentence. Dear learners, participle. Three kinds of participle: present participle, past, and perfect. Present, past, and perfect participle. Today I am making simple sentence, or I will teach simple sentence using present participle. Dear learners, attention please. Present participle. Present participle, verb plus ing, verb plus ing. Attention please. I saw the boys playing cricket. Dear learners, here playing, present participle. I saw the boys playing cricket. Here playing, present participle. Participle, attention please. Participle equal to verb plus adjective. Here verb and adjective, it is also called double parts of speech. And three kinds of participle: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. Today I am teaching you only present participle. To make a simple sentence using present participle, I saw the boys playing cricket. Here playing is a present participle and it is a simple sentence. Dear learners, attention please and follow the board. Here I subject, saw, finite verb, the boys object, playing present participle, and cricket the extension. So it is simple sentence. To make a simple sentence, we need subject one, only one subject. To VT or finite verb one, only one finite verb, no conjunction. There is no conjunction in a simple sentence. Attention please. Again, I am giving you the definition of simple sentence. The sentence which has only one subject and one finite verb, and there is no conjunction. But sometimes we have to use one or more verb to fill the meaning of the simple sentence. In this case, the next verb must be turned into non-finite verb. So here I am using present participle only. It is non-finite verb to make a simple sentence. I saw the boys playing cricket. Another example. Dear learners, we saw him watching TV. It is present participle and it is a simple sentence. Dear learners, if we make it complex, we have to use conjunction and we have to use another verb. I will teach you in the next class. So dear learners, it is simple sentence using present participle. Dear learners, in your homework you must make 5 sentences simple sentence. Make 5 simple sentences using present participle. Okay, thank you to join my class. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and give like, share and comment. See you again.